Welcome back to the Car Explorer. Today, we have something truly special on the channel, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 900, the pinnacle of luxury SUVs that blends unmatched comfort with serious performance. If you're into high-end vehicles that make a statement, stay tuned because this one's a masterpiece. Asterisk, when you first walk up to the GLS 900, you immediately feel the presence. The exterior design is bold yet elegant, with that signature Maybach grille that's wider and more upright than on any other SUV in the lineup. Those vertical chrome slats paired with the sleek LED headlights give it a look that's both modern and timeless. The body lines are smooth and flowing, but it's also a muscular stance that tells you this SUV is more than just a luxury cruiser. It's a capable machine. The large 22-inch wheels fill the wheel arches perfectly, and depending on the finish you choose, this SUV can look sporty or ultra-sophisticated. The paint options are rich and deep, especially in the two-tone variants where the roof and body contrast elegantly. Little details like the Maybach emblems on the C-pillars and the refined chrome accents really separate it from the regular GLS models. Asterisk, climb inside and you're transported into a world that feels more like a first-class lounge than a car. The interior of the GLS 900 is all about comfort and craftsmanship. The seats are upholstered in the softest Napa leather with diamond stitching that feels amazing to touch. The rear seats, especially, are luxurious. You can get fully reclining seats with heating, cooling, and even massage functions. Imagine settling into that after a long drive. It's like having your own private spa on wheels. Ambient lighting is customizable with a huge range of colors, so you can set the mood however you like. The dashboard is wrapped in high quality leather and wood trim that's hand finished, and the contrast stitching is impeccable. The digital cockpit is large and intuitive with crisp graphics and easy-to-use menus. The rear passengers also have massive screens, wireless charging pads, and even a fridge compartment if you want chilled drinks on the go. Every surface you touch feels premium, solid, and thoughtfully placed. Asterisk, under the hood. The Maybach GLS 900 doesn't just look powerful, it is powerful. Mercedes has equipped this model with a refined inline-six engine paired with an electric assist that delivers smooth yet forceful acceleration. The combination gives the SUV instant torque, so whether you're merging onto a highway or overtaking, you always have plenty of power. But what makes the GLS 900 special is how it manages that power. The ride is incredibly composed. Thanks to the advanced air suspension, it handles bumps and rough road surfaces like a dream, almost like it's floating. Even in sport mode, where the handling gets a bit firmer, the ride quality stays composed and never harsh. The steering is light but precise for its size, and the braking system gives you confidence with every push. If you're someone who loves performance and refinement in one package, this SUV delivers both without compromise. Asterisk. Now, let's talk numbers and pricing, because we know that's a big part of making a buying decision. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 900 is positioned at the very top end of the luxury SUV market. Starting prices typically sit well into the high six-figure range, depending on options and packages. Maybach's customizations can add features like bespoke paint, upgraded sound systems, luxury rear seating packages, and personalized interior touches that push the price even higher. But that's part of the exclusivity. You're not just buying a vehicle, you're buying a bespoke experience tailored to your tastes. Asterisk, in summary, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 900 is a statement of luxury, comfort, and performance. It's the SUV for those who want the very best. A car that pampers passengers, impresses onlookers, and still performs superbly on the road. Whether you're chauffeuring important guests or enjoying the drive yourself, this Maybach sets a standard that few others can match. Asterisk, Thanks for watching Car Xplorer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want more detailed reviews just like this.